Instructions for the X22 Slingshot assembly. Got all the pieces right here that you're going to receive. This is the laser. It inserts here, and once inserted past the on-off point, we twist it and then screw it up. Once this is removed, the laser will be functional. You have the option for the laser and a light. The X22 along with the holder. So it inserts into here just like this. The large silver screw goes in right above for security. Got both the hex. Make it tight. This part is complete. The next part, this piece goes right in the front. This is to hold the laser eventually. Take the long black screw, insert through right here. Goes right all the way to the bottom. And then we tighten it. Center tightened, complete. Next is the laser. Simple. Right through here. We take the other screw, insert through here. Tighten it. Use a smaller hex. Typically, what we want to do is push this piece right up, and then we can finish tightening it. Voila. Then we add the rubber band. Fairly simple. Goes right through the hook. And we get it right through the other hook. And the slingshot is complete.